distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to BUIDL Vietnam 2023. Once again, warmly welcome distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, to BUIDL Vietnam 2023. My name is Jeannie Hoài Trâm, and we are very happy to be back with BUIDL Vietnam this year. On behalf of the organizer, we would like to say thank you for being with BUIDL Vietnam. Ladies and gentlemen, BUIDL Vietnam is a festival for the builders consisting of 2 days with technical presentation, panel discussion, and hackathon. So the talks will highlight technical developments in crypto and also discuss about pressing issues surrounding the industry. BUIDL Vietnam is hosted by KryptoSeoul, and Crypto Vietnam aims to foster healthy community building and to introduce solid player to Vietnam community. Also, it's an opportunity to gather prominent builders in an inclusive and agnostic platform setting. So right now, we are in the main track of the event. Besides that, we also have workshop and hackathon welcoming the contestants joining with us this year. But before we start, let's join your hands together with us say thank you to our sponsors. First of all, we would like to say many thanks to our co-host, Hong Bang International University, our silver sponsor, Gnosis Chain, Starkware, Caribus, and Rennick Foundation. Our bronze sponsor, thank you ZK Land, Dizik, Alio, Quantstamp, Mina, and P1X. Also, special thanks to our event sponsor, Sodatech and Pine Protocol. We would like to say thanks to more than 30 media and community partners for making this event possible. Once again, thank you very much. So to kickstart the event today, now we would like to welcome our two main organizers of BUIDL Vietnam to the stage for the opening speech. So please join me to welcome to the stage Erica Kang, founder of KryptoSeoul, and Nico Nguyen, co-founder of Crypto Vietnam and APAC Down.
Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Erica. I'm the co-host for BUIDL Vietnam. So last week I've been in a very long week of ETH Seoul and BUIDL Asia and Seoul, Korea. So BUIDL Vietnam is definitely an extension of that, and it's the second one this year. So happy to be a part of it, and happy to host it in Vietnam, which is one of the most vibrant crypto ecosystems in the world, which is getting a lot of attention. So thank you so much for coming and participating. So yeah, I'm going to bring Nicole to the stage, but Nicole, do you want to come up? Okay.
Please welcome to the stage Nico Nguyen, co-founder of Crypto Vietnam and APAC Down.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for coming today. I think, well, this is the second time BUIDL Vietnam is happening here, thanks to a lot of the support from our sponsors, our co-hosts, and also our partners. I think to a lot of the international delegates, so Vietnam has been widely known as an emerging GameFi hub, and maybe also a home of maybe 50,000 engineer graduates per year. But we are much more ambitious about Web3 than that. And we want to be known as someone who is driving forces and innovation in Web3 space as well. And I think to me and to a lot of people here, especially the newbies, Web3 might be something very abstract, but we want you to be able to see this very real, very visual, with a lot of the builders, innovators, speakers, and people coming from all over the world to Vietnam this time, so that you can feel that this is something very close to the heart and also something very real as well. So in the next 2 days, I hope that you will be able to enjoy and also maybe to come back to Vietnam later, maybe to meet people, to make friends, to enjoy the culture and the cuisines, also to grow and also to build with BUIDL Vietnam. So thank you again for coming here. And we hope that you will be able to see you a lot more in the event and also beyond this event. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Erica Kang and Nico Nguyen, for such a really heartwarming, welcoming speech. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, the events cannot be possible without a tremendous support and backing from our co-host, Hong Bang International University. So today is our honor to receive Associate Professor Lê Khắc Cường, Vice Rector of Hong Bang International University with us. So now, please welcome Associate Professor Lê Khắc Cường to the stage for the speech.
Good morning, everybody. Dear delegates, distinguished guests, professors, and students, on behalf of Hong Bang International University, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you who are here to attend the International Technology Festival BUIDL Vietnam 2023. You know, Hong Bang International University, established in 1997, is a multidisciplinary, multi-field university from undergrad to doctoral level with over 600 teachers, staffs, 13,000 students and graduate students. In addition to the health sciences, the other fields such as technology, engineering, economic management, social sciences, international languages and lectures, and cultures, educational sciences are also focused. We are very honored to be the co-host of BUIDL Festival 2023 in Vietnam. Vietnam, I know that Vietnam is the second Asian country after Korea selected as the staff of the BUIDL Festival, one of the most important international technology events in the world. By the way, we would like to thank the honor of the BUIDL Asia brand for choosing Vietnam and choosing Hong Bang International University as the destination for BUIDL 2023. I think that this is an opportunity for Vietnamese students, especially students of the engineering and technology fields. In 2 days, today and tomorrow, students will enter the finals of the hackathon, as well as attend workshops with more than 20 sessions and training coding and blockchain. So I wish you, all of students here, success in your exams and get the best results. Hopefully, this event will also bring to the public useful information, special discussions on technology development, electronic payment, digital access, security and privacy policy in cyberspace. Once again, on behalf of Hong Bang International University, I wish you good health and happiness. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Associate Professor Lê Khắc Cường, and please remain on the stage. We would like to welcome to the stage. Please remain on the stage, Associate Professor Lê Khắc Cường. Thank you for your speech. And the organizer, Erica Kang and Nico Nguyen, would like to present a bouquet of flowers. Thank you so much.